Well, the day's here, guys. We got Dusty behind the lens today, and we got the trailer all the way in the back filled with chassis number 2, the Vigneault Widebody. We're on our way to ZF Engineering right now to meet their, it's actually going over in their race car trailer, which is a really cool setup. So we're going to drop it off there, get it loaded in the truck and trailer. It will head to Vegas tomorrow and then meet us there, I believe, on Saturday. So we will hop our flights and meet the truck driver there and unload the car, and obviously we'll capture that footage there once we're in Vegas. And pretty soon you guys will get to see the whole car put together, and I think you're really going to like it. It's different, but it's something that makes a statement, and it's kind of in line with what we do at Label. So let's just pull up to ZF, get the car unloaded safely, and meet you guys in Vegas. Hey guys, getting ready to go to Vegas. We're unloading just to load. See the big rig? Hey guys, welcome back. If you can't tell, I know you already can tell, we're here at the SEMA show 2022. We just landed. The cars got here a day ago. They've been setting up the booth. Today, me and Justin are coming inside to set the car in position while they continue to build the booth. And we're going to fine tune some things on the car before we cover it up and reveal it to the client November 1st. So let's walk up to the booth. You guys will be able to see the Pikes Peak NSX car, which is amazing. That's a Honda manufacturer owned car. We competed this year in the Pikes Peak competition, and it's kind of a color, same color as the C8. Car's amazing. HRE wheels. It's got full titanium exhaust. Obviously, it's full race car in the interior. The wing is insane. I haven't seen many Pikes Peak cars, so it's pretty cool to see this up close and personal. So from race to show. So obviously we're super excited to reveal this to everybody here at SEMA, but also the client who's flying in from Tennessee to see his car for the first time after a year of construction. He understands the process. He's a multi-exotic car owner, and this is his first American car, so we're really excited to have him judge this car based on his current vehicle ownership. But we think he's going to be blown away by it. And if you can't see over here, this is where we're going to be parked. So ZF Aftermarket, ZF Engineering, and Sachs Performance. They're our booth sponsor this year. That's who provided the coilovers for the car that we fitted. They will have a working display out, so you'll be able to actually see the strut in person. It'll be by the car, and that's what's actually installed on the car. So you'll see that will be a pre-production unit, and you'll be able to see what it'll essentially look like, I think, through images and what ZF chooses to promote here at SEMA. We have not seen the final images of it, but the booth is beautiful. You can see it's all coming together. We're going to be located here on the end space, so you'll be able to see us coming outside from Central Hall. So look for us here on the corner. We're excited to open the show up in 2 days and really show people what chassis number 2 looks like and kind of get everybody's genuine reaction. So thanks for staying with us through this entire process. I know it's long, I know there's a lot of talking that I do, but we're very excited and we appreciate you guys really following along and supporting us. Without you guys and without our clients, we couldn't do what we do. So keep that in mind. We're very appreciative and thank you guys for always supporting us. So it is Monday, the day before SEMA opens to the public, guys, and we're all set up in the booth. You can see the car behind me. We've got everything situated. They're just moving in the struts and everything. We've got the car cleaned up. Battle of Builders, first look. Judging happens today, starting at 1 o'clock. Tomorrow they announce some of the finalists. Also something else I want to show you guys, some swag. We got some new shirts made for SEMA this year. Talking about Bunyo and obviously our booth partners. Really like the way they came out. They'll have a few select ones available for some special people. And if you want some, leave us a note. We might make a production run. We've had a lot of requests for shirts and we just have to get on it. So bug us so that we actually do it. So we're just gonna quick show you around the car a little bit, give you a look of what it looks like before we're open to the public. And then I think after we're done with this, we're gonna go inside and show you guys what goes on behind the scenes, also get up close and personal with some of the high profile cars that you guys will probably only see during the public event, and it's hard to see the car without people all around you. It'll still be busy today, but we'll walk in there and show you guys what it looks like. morning, guys. We have the car covered up. Our client flew in from Tennessee with a buddy of his. He's going to see the car for the first time, has not seen any of it. So we're going to go pick him up at the entrance, bring him on in, and unveil the car in front of him. You guys will be able to see his reaction. Fingers crossed it'll be a good one. We think it will be, but there are some things in there that may push the envelope a little bit for him. So we'll see what happens.
What's up? We got to take the Tesla.
Oh, that's fun. That's cool. Yeah. So, Justin, this is Justin, guys. He's been waiting, what, 2 years?
Yeah.
Nearly 2 years for this build. Justin was the first one to reach out to us in regards to investigating to see if this was a worthwhile project. We're hoping that 2 years culminates today with his first look at the car. He hasn't seen anything yet, hasn't seen the interior, maybe knows what the outside looks like, maybe knows what a wheel looks like, but excited to show him it in person. Hopefully the reaction's good. We're gonna risk it and just go live with it and see what happens. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's make it happen. All right, guys, so we're wrapping up SEMA 2022. It is Sunday morning. We're loading the car in the ZF Motorsport race trailer to head back to Northville, Michigan, their North American headquarters. As you guys can see, we've got the car parked right behind the rig. We've got it loaded up. Go back to ZF. They're doing a corporate party, which is super cool. They're gonna have a little, I think, reception with the car. The Acura NSX car will be there. And we'll travel over there and participate, tell a little bit about our story and our experience with ZF, the coilovers and everything like that. So it was a huge success. Again, honored, privileged to be here every year. It seems to just get better. This was a car that was very special to us. And this is not the first car, this is the second car. So to clarify, some people think we just redid the car. This is a second actual full chassis build. And we have a couple more in the works that you guys will see. So let's get the car in the trailer, back to Michigan. It's gonna be cold, but we'll have it indoors. You guys can check us out. You know where we're at, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Check us out, labelmotorsports.com, on Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. Thanks, guys.